Welcome to Problem Solving with Excel, the second course in the Data Analysis and Presentation Skills, the PwC Approach Specialization. If you were with us for the first course, you may remember me. I'm Alex Manella, and I'm going to get you started in the course, introduce you to one of my colleagues, and talk about how this course will run. I'll then be back at the end of the course to wrap things up. In this course, we're going to explore Excel as a tool for solving business problems. In order to do that, we're going to start with teaching you basic functions in Excel, then build on that to advance your skills. Along the way, you'll have a chance to practice functions you learn and to do some exercises that will give you a chance to bring it all together. Finally, we'll wrap up the course with a final project that will allow you to apply lessons from this course to build your own Excel analysis tool. There's something I'd like you to keep in mind. In this specialization, we're using Excel to teach you how to think about analysis and to solve problems. We're also using it because it's a tool that's widely available to most of you. There are many tools that we use with our clients every day, tools that will serve a wide variety of functions. It's always important to choose the tool that fits the needs of the client and of the analysis you'll be conducting. In some cases, it may be Excel. In others, it may be Python, while in others, it may be R or SAS. Regardless of the tool, the key question is what problem are we trying to solve, with what data, and how do we best get to the most accurate and specific answer? Having strong Excel skills will serve as a foundation for other tools you will learn and use in the industry. If you took the first course, Data-Driven Decision Making, you will notice that this course is structured a little differently. We're going to start every week with an overview by my colleague, James Larmer. James will talk to you about the topics for the upcoming week and give you some business context to consider as you move into the lessons for the week. Other PwC professionals are going to teach you a variety of Excel functions through recorded demonstrations. In most cases, you'll also get a chance to practice the function you just learned. Periodically, we will have scenario-based exercises that will combine several of the topics you have learned. This will give you a chance to try out your new skills with your own Excel workbook. At the end of the course, there'll be a final project that will give you a chance to combine everything you've learned into one exercise and create your own Excel document to use for analysis and problem solving. Here's how the course breaks down. In week 1, we're going to start off with some basic navigation and functions and make sure everyone has the same level of knowledge to build upon. In week 2, we'll focus on formulas and on data cleansing. In week 3, we build on previous weeks by exploring logic statements and learning how to build and use pivot tables. Finally, in week 4, you'll take a more advanced look at some formulas and then pull it all together in your final project. Having a solid understanding of Excel has been a key component in my analytics career, whether it has been validating data, cleansing data, building mathematical or statistical models, or more advanced dashboards. Excel has been a powerful tool that has helped me better solve my clients' most difficult problems, communicate results more effectively, and help my clients visualize the impact of the solutions we've helped them develop. We're sure you'll find this course an insightful introduction to problem solving with Excel. We hope it will encourage you to continue on with data analysis and presentation skills, the PwC approach, where you have an opportunity to further develop and apply data and analytic skills to create visualizations and make effective presentations. At the end of this course, I will be back to give you a recap and to share my perspective. Thanks for joining us.